Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelly Nyaga and today I'm doing a miracle knot tutorial. I'm using the Italian Curls by Angels number 133, which is black on the top, brown on the bottom. So the essentials that I need are hair gel, molding wax. I also am going to be using mousse, tailed combs, and I'm going to be using the crochet itself and a brush to lay my edges after I'm done. So to start off, I'm going to be using the tail comb to part my hair. I do parting so that when I start doing the braids I can just go faster. You don't need to be so keen on them being neat because the curls are going to hide your scalp. When all I can think about is us since I seen you last. I know I didn't have to walk away. All I had to do was ask for space. I know people leave out the ends to do them together when you're crocheting, but I like to do them all together. Using wax just to make sure that I separate them and they become individuals. So now it's time to crochet the hair, and I use two methods. I use the invisible method to hide the knots that are visible. So this is synthetic hair, so they are obviously going to have knots, but I try to minimize them as much as possible. So the first tutorial that I'm doing right now, it's not the best example because I am not using the invisible method technique. I just forgot, but I will show you what I mean by that by showing you. So this is what you should not do. So I have inserted my crochet, then when I'm tucking in I pulled both of the braids inside. I shouldn't do that, so the next one I will show you first. So this is the invisible method technique. You insert your crochet inside and you take up your hair, and the secret is when you're doing it, don't pull both of the strands inside, just pull one of the strands, then you tighten it. When you tighten it, the knot will form inside the braid, so it's not going to be that visible. But remember, this is synthetic hair, so the knot will come out. You see the technique? You pull it, it's not going to be that visible compared to the other one. done with crocheting, and this is how it looks. The hair is still raw. I haven't applied any product. So the good thing about using Italian curls is that the hair is very light. You'll not feel like it's heavy, and it kinda looks so very, like, even if it's synthetic, it kinda gives a natural feel when you're touching it. It kind of gives human vibes. So I'm starting by laying my edges so that I look sleek and fine.
I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need something. I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these lying niggas, baby. I just need a thug. Won't you be my blood, ayy? You could be the one, ayy. You start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah, baby, give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, heavy breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't die. I can get it to right, baby. I wanna be here, I can be real good. Please don't get these feelings. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, and you can't judge.
You don't really call on me like you should. Think about roll through the hood. Problems, but everything's all good, my love. Your nigga doesn't want smoke with me, nah, no way. Trust me, it's all okay. Trust me, it's all. You just need someone that's calm and patient. Submission, domination. Arch back, deep stroke, white wine, we smoke. That's my best combination. You just need some dig with no complications. You just need some. You just need some late night attention, unconditioned, all that.
So to maintain the curls, I'm going in with my organic mousse that I've got from this lady in town, and mousse helps in making the hair be more defined, defining the curls more, and also maintaining the braids that you did using the molding wax, so it kind of preserves that more to look like more clean and give a more clean vibe.
Fucked up, shouldn't even have to justify. I get it, I'm on your side. Guys get their way all the time. Besides, pleasure not meant for one side. You should just do what's best for your mind. How about I just take my time? You call up my line, I fall up inside you.
So guys, this is the end result. I really love the hair, and you can actually rock with it for 2 months. You just preserve it nicely, it will serve you nicely. Yeah, I love the hair. I will do this like 1,000 times. And a little debate on the comment section: does this hairstyle replace the boho braids hairstyle? But I had a lot of fun creating this tutorial. If you have a suggestion of something that you want me to do, you can feel to leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.
Let me tell you something.